We're about to check out the 2-story ELM floor plan by Ramar Homes. Stick around. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If it is your first time here, my name is John Murray. I'm a Halifax Realtor with Keller Williams Select Realty. Now what we do on my channel is I visit all kinds of new construction to give home tours, and we check out all the new build communities that are coming up all around and outside the city of Halifax. So if that's something you're interested in, or you're thinking of moving, buying, or selling in the area, do me a huge favor, hit the like button, hit the notification button, and hit the subscribe button as well. It would mean a lot so you can stay up to date with all the new developments. I'm out on Everwood Avenue today in the new leeward extension of Highland Park in Hammonds Plains. Now if you don't know where this is, that's okay. I'm going to put it up on the map. So we're about 30 to 35 minutes northwest of Halifax. You can get out here by going through Hammonds Plains or Bedford and Hammonds Plains, or you can take the 103 and get off at exit 5 where Tantalum Plaza is. Now that's about 8 minutes away, so there's grocery stores, gas stations, and some restaurants there. The first thing you're going to notice in a neighborhood like this is that the lots are big, okay? They average about 2 acres here, and it's very quiet. It is peaceful. You can walk your dog. It's got more of a country setting than you would have closer to the city, and that is the trade-off. You get closer to the city, there's going to be more density. You get out here, you have a lot more space. Now, this area has some of the best school systems in all of HRM. I'm going to put the schools up here on the screen for you that you would go to if you're in this neighborhood. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. But again, if you're looking for a little privacy and don't need to be right near Halifax, this could be a great fit. Because we're just off the 103, you can hop out and get down to Nova Scotia South Shore really quickly. So you can go down, have lunch in Lunenburg, or go down and play golf in Chester, and you don't have to deal with the city traffic. So we're going to be checking out a few homes today by Ramar. Ramar is the primary builder in this development. So if you have any questions, reach out, and I hope you enjoy the tours. All right, so before we go check out the ELM model by Ramar Homes here in the leeward extension, I just wanted to show you a couple other models that they do have available. Now the Magnolia model and the Kinloch model are actually move-in ready. Today's February 19, 2026. So if you're interested in any of these, I will have them up on the channel. As a reminder, I do not represent Ramar. I do not represent any of the builders that are on my channel. The way I'm able to get in is I have great relationships with the listing agents, so they're happy to let us in so I can show you what each of these builds has to offer. Now, we're going to take the tour. I'm going to stop talking. I'll see you soon. All right, we're about to check out the ELM floor plan by Ramar Homes. Now, I'm going to put the specs up on the screen for you here so you can see the base price is $819,900. It is a 4-bed, 3.5 bath with a single car garage. We're just around 2,469 square feet, and the lot is 2.2 acres. We are out in Hammonds Plains, but again, if you like this model, you can always see it somewhere else. So let's go ahead and take the tour. You can see they've got a covered foyer here as we come in. I'll give you a little lay of the land here. You don't have to stare at my dirty car. Okay, you see lots of space between the houses. A lot of privacy here in this neighborhood. Okay, so you can see they've got nice glass in the door. Entryway. All right, so tile flooring as you come in. Nice, big, and open. This layout. Again, this is the ELM model. Big giant coat closet here, right as you walk in. It's great you're not tracking any of Nova Scotia's winter through the house. The door to your garage is going to be conveniently right here as well. Now, if you are checking out this video and it is your first time on my channel, if you are interested in new construction or resale, I'd be honored to take you through, walk you through the process. If you do have a realtor, that's cool too. You can always bring them. Buyer representation is free here in Nova Scotia, and it is important. So if you are interested to know more about this model or any other model or any of the builders, you'll have my information. We'll get back to the tour here. You get a powder room right off the entryway. Again, with Ramar has a ton of options with different cabinets, with different color finishings, countertops, you name it. So if you have any questions about, if you were building from scratch or some of their other models, I'm happy to provide that for you. So you've got your kitchen island here. The appliances are not included in the base price of these homes, okay? Ramar does have 16 different appliance packages if you are interested. The lowest is just over 8,000 and the highest is just over 17, depending on the brands. This home here has the Samsung appliance, one of the Samsung appliance packages in it. But again, if you're curious, I'm happy to send you their brochure. So you've got up to ceiling cabinets, slider door out to your deck, and it opens up here. So you get an electric fireplace as well, and a heat pump. So this is vinyl flooring, and it is electric heat. You are on well and septic. There is baseboard heating and ductless heat pumps. So if you don't know about these ductless heat pumps, they are great for efficiency. They're going to cool your house in the summer and keep it warm in the winter and keep your bill reasonable. Get your back deck here. Okay, we're going to go down to the basement first. So you've got hardwood stairs and then vinyl flooring throughout and then tile in the entryways and bathrooms. Okay, so you're going to walk downstairs to this big rec room here, or den, family room, multi-space. It does have a walkout, so you could explore various options if you wanted to have someone living down here. I don't think it's plumbed for a kitchen, but you got a fourth bedroom with baseboard heating. This looks out to the back. Come around. I will say one thing about Ramar, their finishings are always really nice. Every home is really well thought out, and the closet space is usually more than plenty. They are a great builder here in Nova Scotia. So as you see, we're almost finished here. I was able to get in, get us a sneak peek. You get a 4-piece bath here. Again, they do have a lot of different tub and shower options. If you don't like these finishings, I like them, but if you wanted something different, the options are available on obviously in a different house. You get your hot water tank, your air exchanger, and everything for your well, because you are on well water. Got understairs storage here. We're going to go back upstairs. If you do have any questions, just let me know, and I want to see what you think about this home in the comments as well. Don't be shy. Okay, as you can see, I'm going to try and tilt my camera for you. Lots of light as we come upstairs with the chandelier. Now, as we turn, you're going to have the primary bedroom out to the left here as you get to the top of the stairs. And you have 2 bedrooms to the right and a laundry room and your main bath. So we look down the hallway. Your main bath is going to be just on the right. Okay, there's quartz countertops throughout the home. Tile flooring. You do have a full laundry room here, nice up on the top level. There's no lugging laundry up and down stairs. Lots of shelving space. It's going to look out to your front yard and your driveway. And more shelves there. So I would say this is your second and third bedrooms. This one's kind of got a unique layout. You're going to see when I get in. Tons of window. Look at all the light that's coming in through here. Now it is almost dinner time, so the sun's kind of going down, but earlier in the day you would have had a ton of light coming through here. So the closet's in a different position than I'm used to seeing. It is kind of centered. And then you've got this cool space over here. Maybe if it was you could have a little desk there for studying, the study room. That's what I would use it for if I had kids. Third bedroom's here. Again, decent size. It's not too big, this room, but great for someone young. It's not small either. It is a good size. Good closet space as always with Ramar. And then finally, what you probably came to see was the primary bedroom. So nice and spacious. You do have a heat pump here in the primary bedroom, which is great. If you're someone like me that wants to control how cold it is or hot it is while you're sleeping, having that there is going to be very convenient. Give you the layout. You're going to have your ensuite there, obviously, and your walk-in closet. Now this walk-in closet, I'm going to warn you, is really big, which is a great thing. So let's take a walk in, really deep. Give you the full layout. Guys, let me know what you think in the comments. Of course, we're going to end this tour up in the ensuite bathroom. As always, we have a double vanity here. Okay, quartz countertop. Soaker tub there. Standalone. Your toilet. I'm going to try and back into the corner to give everyone a great view. And glass door shower, all tiled. Nice and pretty. Shelving built in. All right, that's it. That is the ELM 2-story model by Ramar Homes. Let me know what you think in the comments, and if you're interested in seeing any more Ramar's builds or any other builders that are out and around the Halifax area, leave a comment or shoot me a text, and I'd be more than happy to give you a tour. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks.